everyone, it's Amanda, and I have with me today a new kit from Authentique for Father's Day is what I'm assuming, and it's called Mr. And this, I love doing, I got this for Father's Day cards specifically, or maybe even a Father's Day book, because one of the things I really like doing is creating Father's Day cards. I find that there's a real need for them out in the, card world, because everybody gives these cards, but there's not a lot of really good paper for it. But Authentique does is one of my favorite companies, and they always have something for Father's Day. I've seen like nautical themes and things like that, but this time this one's called Mr. and it comes with 15 double-sided papers and coordinating accents, which are like well, you'll see when we get there. So this is the front and that is the back. It's basically the same thing, just flipped over. And then we have some cut aparts, which are absolutely adorable, and they pretty much would suit just about any father or brother or son or stepfather, grandfather, etc. that you'd want to make cards for, which is what I'm going to do. You have like a retro car, old, I don't know, is that 50s? Older and wiser, the little pocket watch looking thing here with the gears. An old man with the monocle, just like looking at car repairs, ink, some kind of a writing, what is that? Eyeglasses, respect tradition, Westcott, another little pocket watch here, and another old car. And then on the back is just like a plain, I don't know, I'm gonna say it's a pattern to make your eyes go wonky. Then you have more cut apart cards, which is why I bought the kit rather than the paper separately, because where I was purchasing it from, they didn't have any more of the cut aparts. They only had full kits or some of the single ones. So it says, I heart you, with little tools there. Grateful, thankful, blessed. These are the happiest of days. Leftover parts are proof you made it even better. This is us, our life, our story, our family, a true classic. You have to be a man before you can be a gentleman, by John Wayne. A hero to admire, a man to be fiercely honored and encouraged. If there ever comes a day we can't be together, keep me in your heart, I'll stay there forever. Be strong when you are weak. Be brave when you are scared. Be humble when you are victorious. Do small things with great love, and then every father should remember that one day his son will follow his example instead of his advice. That's cute, with a nice plaid on the back. We've got a diagonal pattern here, and everything's done in like this dusty blue, maroon, gray, brown, very manly and masculine. All these little retro cars with another plaid on the back. These library books are amazing. I love this. And then on the back is little pocket watches, a paisley pattern and stripes on the back, polka dots, and then a maroon. This looks like it's really tiny rulers. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like those yardsticks that fold into 3. That's what this looks like. Tools, cute. And I don't know, this looks kind of like a metal patina. Wood and brick. Leather. How cute is that leather? And then dots. And then we've got some like old newsprint with vintage cars and a denim pattern. Another plaid and more gears for watches or whatever. And then some plain designer cardstock. This is always great to have. How cute, how cool. And then we get to the final one, which are stickers. Now, in the past, they've been punch outs. So this is actually stickers. I'm so thrilled about that. They're all for husband, father, grandfather, brothers, best friends, etc. These will make absolutely awesome cards. So anyway, this is the Mr. kit from Authentique, and when I'm done making the cards, I'll show you guys what it looks like, or what I made from it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can catch new products when they come out, and then also for things that I make with these new products. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.